Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a quick crafty haul from Peachy Cheap and from American Crafts. So let's get into it. The first thing I want to show you guys is this super cute little kit that I picked up from Peachy Cheap. It was one of their daily deals from last week. If you guys are not following Peachy Cheap on Instagram, you definitely should. They have new daily deals every single day at midnight. And I have a notification, you guys, because even though I design for them, I don't know all the deals that come out every single day. So I like to be aware as well, just in case I can jump on and purchase, because I do purchase from them as well. And you guys, they had Hey Pumpkin, which is a brand new collection just the other day. So definitely keep a lookout for that, because they have some great deals there every single day. So when I saw this kit, I have never seen this collection before, and I wanted to pick it up because it is absolutely adorable, you guys. And I actually went to Scrapbookcom and found a couple of other pieces that I wanted to add to this kit. So I'll be getting those soon. But let me show you. The name of the collection is Big Top Dreams, and it's pebbles. So even though I got it on Peachy Cheap, I will have it linked down below as far as the items that I'm showing you guys, so that you guys can still purchase it if you want at scrapbook.com. You guys know I'm affiliated, so I do have some affiliation links down below. But let me show you guys how cute. So this is the sticker book, and you get 287 stickers, and these are not clear. These are white stickers, but you guys, are these not the cutest? So that's the first page, and then you get a second page just like that. You get some stars, some hearts, arrows, hashtags in gold. And look at this. Come on, like this is perfect for like parties. Is that not cute? Look at the tickets, you guys. So I think I'm not sure if it's a birthday collection. Either way, it is adorable and I absolutely love it. So that is the sticker book. And then there's two ephemera packs that came also in the kit. One is the phrase ephemera. I love how they're doing that now. Like you're getting a phrase ephemera and then like a regular ephemera. So here's what you get in the phrase one. So cute. Great pieces. And then the actual regular ephemera, you get all these. But you guys, look at the little clowns. I cannot wait to play with this collection. It is so cute. The colors are not me, but I am trying to step out of my comfort zone and create a bunch of different things, not just stick to the same color palette. And let me show you guys the papers that came. So we get the cut apart sheet, and it looks like this. So cute. And the opposite side is a cute little word page that says like circus treats, hip hip hooray. Then we get this sheet. That's the opposite side. And we get this one. That's the opposite side, little pinwheels. Then we get this one. And that's the opposite side. And I'm sure there's more papers to this collection, but this is all that came in the kit. I might try to get the paper pad as well. So yeah, you guys, that was my little Peachy Cheap order from last week that just arrived. So cute. Definitely be on the lookout with your Peachy Cheap so that you don't miss out on any great deals. And the last thing I want to show you guys is the Paige Evans and We Are Memory Keepers binding tool. I'm so excited about this. I know that it was already out. They had the mint green one, and this one is the pink one that came out with her new collection. And American Crafts had it on sale for 40% off, because this did not come in my design team package, but I had to pick it up because I think it's so cute. So you get the actual tool, and Paige Evans has a video showing how to use it. Then you get this cute little case, and in here is, let's see, how do I open this? All the other little accessories. So you get some needles, some of that floss threading that she uses, and of course the little instructions. And you guys, it was on sale. I don't know if it's still on sale, but it was on sale for $14.99, regular price $20, which was a great deal. So of course I had to pick it up. But that is my quick haul for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye guys.